welcome back to another video. So this video is just an unboxing video because the lovely Chris over at the Glitter Nail Angel contacted me and asked me if I would like to showcase some of her products. So here goes. I got this beautiful foil box. I love these little boxes, they're so cute and great for storage. But yeah, they've got some Christmassy foils in there, some little roses that I'm about to show you. Gorgeous holographic on them. Beautiful. Look at that hollow, guys. So yeah, basically this business was set up in memory of her granddaughter Faith, and for every sale they make they give a donation to their local children's hospital, which I just think is amazing. Like, what a great thing to do, to keep your granddaughter's memory alive. It's just lovely. Anyway, this is a pinching tool, and I was trying to see if it would work for, like, I don't know, picking up gems or something. Just multi-use, you know, just in case. So yeah, here we go. Get me gems. And think, oh, let's see, can I pick one up? Oh yeah, I can, but it's upside down. What are you going to do with that, Marisha? Oh yeah, we'll place it on the nail here with no glue and it'll slip off. What an idiot. What an idiot. Oh, things that go through my mind when I'm doing these things, I don't know. I just don't know. But anyway, they've got a lovely selection of, yeah, there's me pretending to buff my nail. What am I doing? A lovely selection of glitters and materials, foils, buffers, crystals. They've got all kinds. Just do me a favour, the link will be in the description box to the website. Just go over and have a look. Even if you're not going to purchase anything, just go and at least have a look, because they've got some amazing stuff. Anyway, this material here is obviously for encapsulating. I was trying to show you there. I don't know why I do these things. Just whatever goes through my head at the time. I'm like, oh yeah, I could do this with that, and I just have to do it. Idiot. Anyway, this is Olivia. Gorgeous, gorgeous purple, purpley, fuchsia kind of glitter. I'd call it purple, but some people say it's fuchsia, so I'm not going to argue. It is what it is, but it's gorgeous either way. So I'm showing you there. And then, oops, yeah, maybe me, spill some out the pot. I think I better give up with this stirrer right now, and then just put the lid back on before I spill any more of that beautiful sparkles. So yeah, that was Olivia. Then just wipe my little spatula off. And this is just some silver leaf, which also looks gorgeous encapsulated in nails. However, I won't attempt to show you that because this stuff sticks to anything, as you'll see. It's like stuck to my finger. I'm like, get off, get off. But no, it looks great encapsulated in nails anyway. So, and I've got this glitter called Neil, and I don't know who they're all named after or anything, but this colour is gorgeous. Like, I don't like golds as a rule, I'm more of a silvery person, but this has got like a shift to it. It's just so unusual, but it's beautiful. So again, put the lid on that before I spill any more. And then we've got these gorgeous flames. Now, everyone's been using these flames. I've used them on my channel as well, but I've not used the holographic ones, so I've got some of them there. This glitter's called Chrissy, and I think it's just a fine blue glitter, iridescent. But yeah, I just got my little tray here, thinking I was professional. Shake it about, show you the twinkle, you know. Thought I was well professional doing this. So yeah, pour it back in there, try not to waste any. And then I can see still there's some on my tray, and I'm like, oh, look at that. So I'll just brush it out with my little dusty brush. And then I've got another glitter here, which is Holiday Blues, I think. And this is a gorgeous mix. And oh, I forgot to mention as well, all the mixes are custom to them because they mix them themselves. Look at the colours in that. It's got some holographic pieces, some iridescent pieces, some metallic pieces, like whatever you want, it's in that glitter. So this time I thought, oh, I'll use my dusty brush and try and get it all back in the pot. So there we go. I only spilled a little bit. Quite proud of myself there. And then just dust out the excess before we start with the next one. And this one is Sun Stars. Gorgeous, gorgeous gold stars. But again, they're quite different to anything I've had before. Very sparkly, I've got to say. Look at the sparkle on them. Gorgeous. So pour them back in. Try not to waste any. Don't like wasting this out. We don't like waste. So just the excess out of there. And then this one's called Keith. And it's like a lime green. Now, I'm not usually a fan of green, but this is beautiful. It's like a lime green, yeah, and it's again so sparkly. Beautiful. So just take this moment to say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for joining my channel, and if you've not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are new here, hello. And thanks to all my loyal subscribers that I've got so far as well. Like, you're all so kind, and I do read all your comments. I do try and reply to everybody, but sometimes it's just a bit much to reply to. Anyway, this glitter's called It's Snowing, and it is more of a Christmassy glitter, but like there's no reason why you couldn't use it on a frozen set or a winter set. I just wanted to show you here. I don't know if you can see, there's some different kind of snowflakes. So there's some smaller ones, some bigger ones, some iridescent ones, some white ones, some pearlescent ones, and it's got little bits of tinsel, chunky glitter and fine glitter. Like, it's jam-packed. Gorgeous. And I think I've seen Jess from Beautiful Nails by Jess use this one a couple of times as well, where she's either just picked out the snowflakes or just picked out some glitter and stuff. So there's no reason why you can't do that, is there? Yeah. So I think that is it. I think. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, yeah, obviously I'm not wasting those snowflakes because they spilt everywhere. And there's a little Christmas tree there, I'm just trying to show you, but you can't really see it in the light. And then I put it on the back of my hand. There you go. I didn't even see that in there when I was showing you the glitters. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for joining, guys, and thank you so much to Chris and Becky over at The Nail Angel for sending me these goodies. Bye, guys.